Well, let's see, where do we begin? Today, I've been messing around with the Forrest Mims Engineer's Mini Notebook Basic Semiconductor Circuits, and I found this circuit that was kind of like some of the other circuits. And once I got the thing going, I wound a little bit different antenna or coil, and on the antenna it's 25 turns at the bottom and about 100 turns wound around a big pin, and it's powered by 4 volts from my old Chinese mini hand crank radio, and it puts out 3-phase on the 3 wires here. So then I got it going through a 3-phase rectifier, a bunch of diodes right here. Got 3 here, 3 diodes there, and 3 on the other side. So it rectifies it, and then it goes into this 3.6, it goes into the capacitor first, but then into the battery, a 3.6 volt nickel metal hydride that came out of the radio with the crank. So it all comes to about 4 volts. Then it goes in here, and I got the 1 ohm resistor down there. And I got 3 different meters here. And this one shows the amperage going through the 1 ohm resistor measured in millivolts, and it's I stuck the an AV plug in the antenna end here, which is the negative side of the capacitor right here, and I'm getting a little bit of Rfmicro action there. So then I took another AV plug and I took the LED out and I ran it into this capacitor. And I wanted to see how many volts it would charge, and it charged up from 4 volts. And it just kept on going while I was at the grocery store, and it comes to 20.79, 20.8 volts. So I was surprised to see that, because it's been running at 4 volts for practically all day. It hasn't dropped any, and my amperage is, it's tiny, and I haven't been able to get a Joule Thief circuit working right, but this one seems to be working really good. And then I got the idea of like maybe putting a AV plug on this big 75,000 microfarad capacitor, and that thing is just catching voltage. I let it go all night last night, and it caught 1.2 volts before I accidentally shorted the thing out. But right now it's got half a volt, 5.5 volts, or 0.55. So anyway, I thought this was kind of neat that this little RF transmitter will crank out 20 volts on 20 volts with a very small input. I got tired of building my power supply for 15 years, so I decided I'd just do this. Anyway, yeah, so this thing Maybe it is a jewel thief. But it is an RLC circuit, and this is my first video that I've ever uploaded, so maybe you guys can have some fun with this one, or relate it to Dr. Stifler's work, and so anyway, that's what I got. So thanks a lot, you guys. We'll do another one soon.